Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can extract audio from a video file in InShots. So let's go to the app. Okay, let's go to video. Okay, let me go with this video. I have little audio delay in this one. Okay, let me cut the beginning part. Oh, sorry, split. Okay, now let's play. Hey guys, what's up? So as you can see, there is an audio delay, like 2-3 seconds. So what you have to do, just tap on the clip, then go to volume. Here on the bottom right corner of the screen, you will see extract audio. You just have to tap there. Okay, now audio is extracted. We will cut the beginning part. Okay, now let's see. Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can stop. Okay, as you can see, now audio is synced. So that's it, guys. Likewise, you can extract the audio. And suppose you want to extract a audio from another file, that also you can do. What you have to do, this audio option is there. You have to go to the audio option. Okay, let me delete the audio file here. Okay, here in music, on the top of the screen you will see extract audio from video. Okay, suppose you want to extract audio from some other file, some other video, just browse the video. For me, I'm taking the same video. Okay, now let's play. Okay, now the voice is starting from here. We will cut it. Now let's sync it. What's up? So in this quick video, I'm going to show you. As you can see, now this audio is synced. So that's it, guys. Both the way you can use to extract audio. So thanks for watching the video, guys. See you on the next video.